Are you looking for a way to create your own WhatsApp sticker? And you do see people sending WhatsApp stickers all around you, but never knew the process of making it. Likewise, you do see that they do put text on images, they do put emojis, they do put and all those things, and you are already looking for an opportunity to do this. Here comes the opportunity. But before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button underneath, and likewise you on the notification bell in order to receive our subsequent videos. Thanks. Let's get started. The first thing to note is that you need an app for this, and here in this video we'll be using just an app, and that's the WhatsApp emoji app, or you can call it the Wemoji app as it was written on the app. So though I have another app here which is the personal stickers for WhatsApp, but here in this video I'll be using the Wemoji app. I see that the Wemoji app is better than most of the apps online, because I've already tried many apps and I saw that with this app you'll be able to add a text on your images, you'll be able to add emojis on your images, and so on and so forth. So it has many advantages. So in order to install this app, just go to your Play Store or your App Store. So click on your Play Store, and on your Play Store just type in the Wemoji. So this it has already bought it. Then you click on it, and then you download and install. So it's not that the meg is not that too heavy. So after downloading and installing, then you open. Just open. So this is the app, and after opening the app you have the create sticker and my stickers. So this is to create a new sticker, and this is for your already created stickers. So after you have already created 1 or 2 stickers, so just click on create sticker. After clicking on create sticker, then you press here to add your picture, your photo. So in order to have photo, just go to where your picture is, my gallery. Then I want to add this picture, my social media picture. And this, if you want to crop, you can crop. Maybe you want to crop in the inside is a square or a circle, or you want to do a freehand crop. But if you don't want, just skip. So this is my picture. So you can enlarge more. You press here to enlarge like this. So like this. So I will just do a rough sketch, a rough work, since I'm online and not doing a personal work. So like this is not that straight. Let me do it very well. So this is it. Then you can add your text. This is for your emoji, this is for your sticker, this is for your text. Let's add text. Just click here, then you press in your text. Welcome to. Then you can align it anyhow you like. Is it left alignment or which one? Let me do the left alignment. So after that you can change your font color. Let me change to this. Then you press here. Welcome to. I think it's okay like this. After that one, just come to your emoji. I want to add my emoji. So let me add this, and so this is the hand I want to add, and you can reduce the size of the hand, or let me do it like this. No, like this. So that's that. Welcome to that is this Axel Design social media. And after that one, I have another one here. So you can copy, you can just come here to copy. So you have already copied this, and just press here to edit. Press there to edit. So welcome, I want to write follow, then you press here as usual. So let's put follow here. So follow, then another one, you can copy this also, but let's edit. Press here to edit. It will be follow us on, but this one won't be that big. But you can reduce here, you can change the color, here. So for example, let's just see, don't worry, you later change the color in another test. So you can reduce the stroke and it, you see. So you can use the stroke. So press OK, and don't forget not to resize it. You press here and you start dragging outside or inside. So like this. So here, follow us on, so like this. So you can just come to your emoji and pick your emoji. This is my emoji that I want to use. So you can just you can just change the direction like this also. So welcome to follow, and likewise, welcome to and. I want to write and your text. You can just add your text. This is my and you can change your font to, okay, here let me change my color. So let me pick this, and my ear is for the outline color, so that I can pick maybe white. So it's white that I pick here, so like that. And you can reduce it, then you press OK here. You press the mark button. So this is it. You can try and make it bigger here, so like this. So welcome to that is Axel Designs, and follow us on this social media on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I think we are done here. I've done a rough sketch. Then you press on save. Do you want to save your image? Yes. And choose a sticker pack. Do you want to choose a sticker pack or not? So I already have a sticker pack over there before, so you can just choose this. So it will, and if you don't have, it will ask you the name. So that's it. So then you can go to your WhatsApp, your normal WhatsApp. Let's go to our WhatsApp. Axel Designs. Axel Designs. So my first group, let me send it over there. Then here you can, you know where your sticker is. Here you press save for your sticker, and this is where it would be. Let's press here. So I've already created one before, so this is the one I created before, and this is the recent one I just created. So you can just click on it, and this is your sticker. So have you seen it? So this is your sticker that you created. So you can just create anything. You can use your business image and all those things. So I'll be stopping here. I really appreciate you for watching and look forward to the next video. Thanks.